What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw today, you saw what is going on. Yes, the LML is broken. So let's go ahead, let's jump inside, let's read those codes, let's see what's going on with this thing. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and let's fire this thing up. And just like that, you guys see that check engine light still there. So let's go ahead, let's run these codes and figure out what is going on. Alrighty guys, so let's scan these codes real quick. Alrighty, so it's saying we do not have a code, but we have a check engine light. So let's run up to O'Reilly's real quick to see if they can scan it, if their scanner will tell us anything different, and if it does tell us what's going on, let's go ahead and see if they have the parts to fix it. But for right now, we'll catch you guys at O'Reilly's. Alrighty guys, so we just got to O'Reilly's. They scanned the code for us. They told us it was thermostat, so we went ahead and we picked up both thermostats right here and a little bit of RTV. But for right now, we're gonna head back to the house and get going on it. Alrighty guys, so we're back at the house right now. So we're just gonna jump into the old K10, get that thing fired up and moved out of the way so we can pull the LML onto the driveway and start working. Alrighty guys, so we got the LML pulled up and popped the hood in to take a look at what we are going to be doing. And so it looks like the thermostats go right down, it's hard to tell, right down here after this outlet. So right now we're going to start by unscrewing the oil filler neck, the water pump neck, and the AC, I believe this is. And then go ahead and unplug that sensor right there and see what else we have to remove along the way. So stay tuned and we'll figure it out. So right now I am trying to get that bolt right there out, but that clip is in the way. So we are trying to move this clip right here over so we could get the socket onto that bolt. So that's what we're working on. Alrighty guys, so we got the water neck off. As you can see, there's one thermostat right there, and then down in there there's another one actually right there. So we went ahead and we got both just to be safe. Replace them both, don't have to do it again. So but for right now, let's go ahead, let's pop these thermostats out and we'll grab the new ones. Alrighty, so we got the thermostats both out. Here's both the old ones and the new ones are right there. Got that all cleaned out right there. So right now what we're doing, we're drying out this, cleaning this, then we're gonna put some of the RTV on here, put the thermostats back in, and then put it back into the truck. So let's go ahead and jump to that. Alrighty guys, so we got the new thermostats in and the housing back on right here. So now it's time to bolt the oil filler and then the other, the high flow for the AC back up to this, and then we could go ahead and put the radiator hose back on and then fill her up with coolant and see if it worked. So we have it all back together. We have the radiator hose on, and so now we are going to fill it up with coolant and run the truck, make sure it heats up to operating temperature, won't overheat, won't stay cold. We'll get in, we'll clear the codes first and go from there. What we're going to do right now is we're going to clean off and throw all our trash, grab all of our tools away, and then we are going to go ahead and fire up the truck and see what happens. Hopefully that fixed our problem. Alrighty guys, so we just got back into the truck. We are going to go ahead and we're going to fire this thing up and let it warm up a little bit. As you can see, the check engine light is still on, so we're going to go to our scanner. We're going to read the codes right here, and as it still says no codes, but we found out it was the thermostat. We're just gonna go ahead and clear those like that. Alrighty, that cleared that. So now we're gonna sit here and let the truck warm up. Alrighty guys, so the truck has warmed all the way up to operating temperature and it's not overheating. We still don't have a check engine light, so that seems to have fixed the problem. I will keep you guys updated if it does spike or if it does drop below temperature or it gets another check engine light. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But for right now, this is where we're going to end the video. So thanks for watching. If you guys found this helpful, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thanks.